Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get spooky mutation in Grow a Garden new Halloween event update on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden game, and if you want to get spooky mutation on your garden, you need to buy a pet from the Halloween market. And this market come every hour, so you need to stand by every hour to go to the Halloween market. Go to this NPC, and oops, not this NPC, but this NPC. Okay, and here you can buy the ghost bear, and this ghost bear can give you spooky mutation on your garden. And I'm going to show you the ghost bear. Okay, this one, guys. This pad has ability to apply spooky mutation. Okay, so if you want to get spooky mutation on your garden, you can get this ghost bear from the Halloween market. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 70 candy corn. Okay, so you can earn the candy corn first by filling the cauldron, and you'll get candy corn as reward, and you can use it to buy the ghost bear. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.